If you're working in the US and confused between a 401k and a Roth IRA, trust me, you're not alone. Millions of people contribute to retirement accounts without even understanding how they work. And this confusion can cost you thousands of dollars over time. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is better for you, and how to use both to maximize your retirement savings in 2025. Let's start in simple words. A 401k is a retirement account that your employer gives you. You put money into it before taxes, which means your taxable income gets reduced right away. Your money grows inside the account tax deferred, and you only pay taxes when you withdraw the money in retirement. So in simple terms, you save taxes today, but you'll pay them later. Now the biggest advantage of a 401k? Employer match. If your employer matches a portion of your contribution, it's basically free money. If you contribute $2,000 and your employer matches $2,000, you just doubled your contribution without doing anything extra. No investment in the world gives that kind of guaranteed return. On the other hand, a Roth IRA works differently. This account is not given by your employer. You open it yourself through any brokerage like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab. In a Roth IRA, you contribute money after paying taxes, but the real magic is what happens later. Your investments grow tax-free, and when you retire, you withdraw everything completely tax-free. No tax on your profits. No tax on your gains, nothing. So with a 401k, you pay taxes later. With a Roth IRA, you pay taxes now but enjoy tax-free money later. Let's make this even easier with a quick comparison. A 401k lets you contribute much more, over $20,000 a year. A Roth IRA has a lower limit, around $7,000 per year. In a 401k, your employer decides the investment options. In a Roth IRA, you choose where to invest. Index funds, ETFs, stocks, whatever fits your strategy. A 401k gives employer match. A Roth IRA doesn't. A 401k reduces your taxes today. A Roth IRA reduces your taxes in retirement. Now, the big question, which one should you choose in 2025? Here's the simplest strategy that works for most people in the US. If your employer offers a match on your 401k, always contribute enough to get the full match first. Missing that match is like throwing free money in the trash. It's the biggest and easiest win in personal finance. Once you're getting the full match, your next priority should be the Roth IRA. Why? Because tax-free growth is incredibly powerful. Imagine investing for 20 to 30 years and then withdrawing every dollar of your profit without paying a single penny in taxes. That's why financial experts love the Roth IRA. After you max out your Roth IRA, if you still have money you want to save for retirement, then go back and put more into your 401k. But what if your employer doesn't offer a match? Then the Roth IRA becomes your first choice because it gives you total control and tax-free withdrawals. Also remember this, if you expect your income to grow over the years, a Roth IRA is generally better because you lock in today's lower tax rate. But if you want to reduce your taxable income right now, maybe because you're earning more or want a bigger tax break, then a 401k helps immediately. Let's look at real-life examples to make it even clearer. Imagine John is 25, working his first full-time job. His employer matches 4% of his salary. The smartest move for him is simple. Get the 4% match through his 401k, then open a Roth IRA and invest the rest there because his tax rate is low and he has decades of growth ahead. Now imagine Sarah is 40, earning a higher income and wants to lower her taxes right now. For her, putting more money into her 401k makes sense because it reduces her taxable income instantly. That's why the answer isn't the same for everyone. It depends on your income, your goals, and whether your employer offers a match. But the strategy stays consistent. Take the match, then go Roth, then add extra to 401k if needed. And here's something many people don't know. You can actually use both accounts at the same time. A lot of Americans think they have to choose one, but that's not true. Using both gives you tax flexibility, some money taxed today, some taxed later, which is incredibly helpful in retirement. Before we end, Here's a simple rule that will help you make the final decision quickly. If you want to lower your taxes today, gives 401k. If you want to avoid taxes in retirement, gives Roth IRA. If you want free money, gives take the employer match. If you want control over your investments, gives Roth IRA. And if you want the best of both worlds, gives use both accounts smartly. I hope this made things easier for you. Retirement planning in the US doesn't have to be confusing. You just need the right information explained in simple language, and that's exactly what we do here on Finance Fuzz. If you found this helpful, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Are you Team 401k, Team Roth IRA, or using both? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.